Now let me introduce the model 31132K. The model 31132K and the model 31132 is something different. The price is here. The wire and the light body you can separate like this very easily. Connect it and remove it and separate. So this design is very convenient for the after sales service. When the light's broken, it no works. I need to replace it because this reset mount. So normally it's fixed there. If the light's broken, I just remove it here, and then I change to another new one light and put it on again. So you can, it's done. You can change a new one if this light is broken. So this is a special structure of the light, and the wire and the light body is separate. With the structure, you can separate it very easily, remove it very easily. And also it is a solder-free lighting also. You see, this you can remove it. And if you need any lens, you just cut all the light body and then plug and press. Connect it. Okay, and I connect it to the transformer. So like this, it start work. And if it's broken, just remove it and then change a new one. Connect it again. So you do the after sales service. It's very easy. This is 31132K.